Hey senor, come listen to me. I've got something here for you. This original Aztec statue from 1502. Believe me, what I say is true, especially for you. Especially for you. Look at this nice transistor and the Swiss-made watch in blue. Senor, I give them half the price if you take all two. They work and are completely new, especially for you. Especially for you. Please, senor, don't run away, I've got to tell you more. It is a real good time today, I show you things you never seen before. Do you want my little sister? She's never touched before. The nicest girl in all the town and only 12, senor. There is a lot that she would do, especially for you. Especially for you. Senor, me not want money, the guide from government. Show you place with the clean young girls on ship of my best friend. There is a lot that he would do, especially for you. Especially for you. Please, senor, don't run away, I've got to tell you more. It is a real good time today, I show you things you never seen before. You like some box of marijuana for the special pipe? Pass auf, mein lieber Kleiner, wenn ich da noch länger bleib. Kauf ich da dein Klumper und rauch mich mit dir ein. Eine Freundin hab ich sowieso, es muss ja nicht deine Schwester sein. Ich tramp jetzt lieber weiter, ich hab noch viel vor. Bei mir der Rest kein Level, erst lass mich da in Ruhe. Einen schönen kriegst du keiner, du, especially for you. Especially for you.